This one's gonna be interesting. We got a bag of Bass Pro deer corn here, left over from, I want to say last spring, maybe early summer. Oh, that's nasty. Holy cow. What's up, YouTube? Kaylin, say hi. Hi. Well, I guess it's just gonna go back and forth between focus and not focus because whatever. Anyways, I wanted to do a video about hog bait. We're gonna make some sour corn today, and we're gonna cook some steaks and have fun. So stay tuned. All right, we gotta get the old charcoal going. Let's see, set you up on the old yeti. That should be enough for 2 steaks. One would think. Match light. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, that is lovely. Just stick her anywhere. Ooh. Wonder if that's too close to the Dodge. Old DD. Nah. It's fine. So anyways, I have a few different things here to show you. That fire is going. Oh well. Alright. So, hog bait. First thing on the book is Hog Wild Pig Punch. It has a UV coating that attracts hogs. It's blue. They like it, I guess. It smells really, really sweet. I put some down yesterday? I think it was yesterday. And they didn't touch it, so I don't know. We'll let it sit for a few days, I guess. I will be going out Wednesday, which is a couple days from now. Hopefully they've touched it then. This will also attract deer and bears as well, which is we don't really want to do that, but whatever. Next thing is this Hog Wild Beast Attractant, the ultimate hog bait. It also attracts bears, deer, and hog. Can be added to corn and other grains. This is a powder. You can hear it like granulized. I don't know exactly what's in it, but molasses, roughage products, calcium, berry flavors. You dig a hole, stick it in with some corn, sprinkle on the outside, call it a day. This is like, I don't know how much this is. I got it for $6 at Dick's in the clearance. This was $6 at Dick's on clearance as well. But you still have to buy corn. So I found a cheaper way. We're gonna see how it works. Go to your local Save a Lot or whatever caliber store you want to go to and get you some cheap fruit soda, pop, whatever, wherever you're from. Up north where I'm from, you call it pop. Down in Florida where I live, they call it soda, whatever. Get you some yeast. Come on, focus. Some Jello packets. That's it. All right, so 5-gallon bucket. Get you some corn. This is some Bass Pro, just deer corn. Cut it open. We got our corn. Sprinkle it in. Real professional like. It matters, okay? The hogs know if you sprinkled it with love. All right. Take our yeast, throw that in the bucket. This one you want to do with a little attitude. It helps. Damn hogs chasing all the deer away. Really talk smack to it, okay? Empty that. You just need 3, I guess, for this amount. Open up your soda pop. Fill it with a pop. Ooh, that's fizzy. That is really sweet smelling. All right, and we pour it in. Oh yeah, you gonna focus? Here we go. That is lovely. That is so sweet smelling. That's awful. I bet that is just a lovely taste. Just fill this up with water. Yeah. Doesn't take too long, as the corn does. Just cover it up. Just wanna, here. See that? Just get the corn covered. All right, so last night made some sour corn, mixed it at least. That's why I feared. Ooh, that does not smell good. I figured it'd dry out a little bit. Gotta add some water. Yeah, that's really starting to ripen up. Real scientifical. You can see what it looks like. It smells awful. One issue I'm going to have is how I'm going to get this to the hunting land, because I don't have a lid. I planned on buying one, but the time has come to go drop this off out there. So I think we're just gonna have to strap it to the side of the truck and call it a day. Well, I can honestly say I don't like the wild hog punch. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, where's the camera? There you go. See how that, you see that pink? That is the hog wild punch. Some of the corn got touched, most of it has not been, so a little strategy update I'm gonna have to do with. A lot of hog action right here off camera, right behind it. But the problem is the tree stand is over there. And it's not the distance that's the issue. It's shooting through trees that's the issue. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know. Alright, just to show you guys what the situation is. that's the trail cam. That's where there's been a lot of hog activity coming through here, going over there, over down that path, and down this path. There's the tree stand right there. Okay, this is not working. Okay, they didn't touch the corn over here, but over here, lots of hog tracks, and I mean, you can just see them rutting it up, right? Just blowing through here, looking for everything. See that? The sun glare. All right. The issue is, I need to get them to come over there. So I think we're gonna put some corn here and kind of make a trail over to where I want them to get them into shooting range, because right there is a tree stand about 40 yards from right here. So we're in a little bit of a pickle. All right. Man, I want to get this in the right spot. No, I don't want to touch that. I got another thing I'm going to do. Leave that there. So, just because I don't want to waste time, we're going to mix a little bit up. We got regular corn mixing in with Hog Wild. That stuff smells awful. This smells good. That smells awful. You can smell it from here. I'm 5 yards away. So, let's you gotta shake your food. God, that smells so bad. All right. I can't wait till summertime in Florida when I mix this up. And it gets to sit in 100 to 110 degree heat all day long. So, there's a little bit of a trail here and a lot of wallering out right here. So I'll put some in this trail. That's plenty. Then I'll mix the other stuff. All over the place, because I am not going to get skunked this weekend. Y'all are going to have to bear with me. I think that's going to be a separate video. Making YouTube videos about hunting especially is really difficult. Props to Deer Meat for Dinner and all the other guys make hunting videos on YouTube. You're the real MVPs, because this is it's fun for sure. Not easy. Not easy. This one's gonna be interesting. We got a bag of Bass Pro deer corn here, left over from, I want to say last spring, maybe early summer. Oh, that's nasty. Holy cow. Oh my God. I don't even know if the hogs will eat this. That is so gross. I gotta show you guys this. Look at that. Oh my God. Full of maggots. And it does smell. I put it right in the path. Oh, that is strong. They're walking through here. That smells so bad. But that's what they like, so, well, maybe that might be a little much. I'm not sure. Man, I look awful Amish today. Anyways, that's it for this video. I guess this weekend when we start videoing the actual hunt, I'll bring you guys back out. But that's how you bait hogs, and it works. I mean, we've been baiting these hogs for a few months now with just regular corn, not doing anything fancy, and they come in pretty much like clockwork. Until I took that last hog. I don't know where they went, but someone nearby is feeding them, or they got a new feed source somewhere, is basically what happened. So we just gotta stink them in, get them to come in, and hopefully we can keep them in. Anyways, comment what's your favorite. Man, I gotta wash my truck. Look at that. Can you see that? Look how rough it is. Anyways, comment what your favorite hog bait is, okay? I'm gonna try them all. So tell me what you use, where you put it, what time of year you put it down at, whatever it is. Pretty much gonna be bow hunting for the most part. I don't wanna really put too much pressure on the deer here because the landowner likes to hunt the deer. I don't want them to get gun shy or nothing like that. So mostly bow hunting here, so not a lot at night. We might hook up some sort of lighting system to light the night up, light the hog spot up at night or something like that. I don't really know. So far we don't have that much activity at super late hours on this property. It seems to be early morning, right at dawn for a couple hours, and then right before dusk for a couple hours. So we'll see if this stinky stuff works. But the next video will be, well, the next hunting video or outdoor video like this, not truck related, will be a hog hunt. So subscribe, look forward for that, because we got a boatload of hogs. Once they come in, you guys will see. It's it's crazy. They come just screaming, and I'll show you guys up. All right, so anyways, comment, like, subscribe, hit us up on Instagram, Bald Eagle Diesel, and we'll see you next time.